Hi everyone, welcome to Yarnish Love. My name is Neda and I love to crochet appliques, granny squares and cute stuffs. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet this fluffy chicken with frog hats. For this one, I used the fluffy yarn like this one and 3mm crochet hook. If you don't have the experience with fluffy yarn, then watch my other tutorial that gives you some tips on how to crochet with this fluffy yarn. And if you are an absolute beginner, then use cotton yarn because in fluffy yarns it's difficult to see the stitches. And in this tutorial, I'm using cotton yarn for demonstration. Let's get started. For the wing, make a slip knot. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip the first chain. Slip a stitch into the second chain. For a slip stitch, insert the hook into the second chain. Pull up the yarn. Pull this yarn through this loop too. This is called a slip stitch. Single crochet in next chain. Half double crochet in next chain. For half double crochet, yarn over. Insert the hook into the third chain. Pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Into last chain, 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. Fasten off a bit longer for sewing and create another one in the similar way. For the feet, make a magic ring. Chain 2. 6 half double crochet into the ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet. This is my chains, 2 chains, and this is my half double crochet. And I'm slip stitching on top of it. Create another one in similar way. For the body, make a magic ring. Chain 1 and 6 single crochet into the ring. For single crochet, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. I have 1 single crochet now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the ring. To recognize the beginning and the end of each round, you can use a marker. I'm using a small piece of yarn with a contrasting color, like this one. Now I go for round 2. Round 2, I need to have 6 increases. By increase, I mean having 2 single crochet in each stitch. I'm going into first stitch, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the same stitch. 2 single crochet in each stitch. Six, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. In round 1 I had 6 single crochet, and in this round I'm having 12 single crochet. Round 3, 1 single crochet in next stitch, 2 single crochet or increase in next. Repeat this pattern by the end. 1 single crochet next, increase in next. 1 increase. And at the end you will have 18 single crochet. For round 4, 1 single crochet in next, 2 single crochet next, 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 1, increase in next. And repeat this pattern. 1 1 2 single crochet, 1 1 2 single crochet. Repeat it by the end of the round, and at the end you will have 24 single crochet. At the end I'm having 1 single crochet remained, 1 single crochet inside. For round 5 to round 10, 6 rounds, I'm going to have 1 single crochet in each stitch. 2, 3, and in each round I'm having the same number of 24 single crochet. See you at the end of round 10. Round 11, single crochet in first stitch, single crochet in next. And now I'm going to have a decrease. By decrease I mean to turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. To do this, insert the hook into first stitch, and as you can see, each stitch has 2 loops. One loop is in front of me, we call it the front loop, and the other loop is at back side, and we call it back loop. For decrease, insert the hook into the front loop of next stitch. Then insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Let me show you again. Insert the hook into front loop of next stitch and then into front loop of next stitch. Now yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Now do your single crochet. This is a decrease. Single crochet next and next. Then decrease. Repeat this pattern. Single crochet, single crochet, decrease, and at the end you will have 18 single crochet. Let's stop here, add the details, and then go on. Now let's continue for round 12. 1 single crochet in next stitch, decrease, 1 single crochet in next, decrease, and repeat this pattern by the end. Last round, 6 decrease. Crocheting the hat, the first 4 rounds is similar to crocheting the head. Starting from here, 6 single crochet into the magic ring, then 12 single crochet, 18 and 24. For round 5, single crochet in next stitch, single crochet in next, single crochet in next, 3 single crochet, and then 1 increase. And this is the pattern by the end. 3 single crochet, increase, 3 single crochet, increase. I'm having 30 single crochet in this round. For round 6 and 7, I'm going to have 1 single crochet in each stitch. And for each round, 30 single crochet. For last round, make 1 slip stitch into each stitch. For the eyeball, make a magic ring. Chain 1, 5 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, close the ring. Round 2, make increases. 2 single crochet into each stitch, and at the end you will have 10 single crochet. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Round 3, 4 decreases. 1, 2. This is the eyeball. Fasten off a bit longer for sewing. For the eye, in fluffy yarn, I've created 8 single crochet into the magic ring. But for this one, because the eyeballs are smaller, I'm creating 5 single crochet into the magic ring. My cute froggy chicken is over. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And to watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!